Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 63 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. It covers many markets. There are some great opportunities currently unfolding in the markets, and I discuss some of them with setups that are ready for the taking during the coming week. While some markets, in my opinion, require a wait-and-see approach for now. It is all detailed in this long video. You could have access to that if you can just take a trial. You could pay with PayPal if you wish. I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends, providing you further details in case you want to try out my service. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I have a long list of charts, and there is a lot of information in this video. So if you feel like you need to go back and review a section again and again, I would think that that is absolutely normal. And here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro, US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Czech koruna, Australian dollar, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, the euro, Japanese yen, gold, silver, the euro bond, USD bond. I'll be looking also at the long-term charts of both of these bonds. And then I'll have a look at the Dow Transportation Average, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, that's the Midcap. I'll have a look at Italy's MIB, at Spain's IBEX 35, and then I'll have a look at the Midcap of Bombay, at the Hang Seng, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the MCI Emerging Market Index. Okay, that's the Midcap of Bombay. We have seen the Midcap in the US flashing some danger signals, and I think that the Midcap of Bombay is in my opinion, doing the same. In fact, the Midcap of Bombay, the Hang Seng, and MSCI Emerging Market Index, they're all showing very similar pattern, and the one clinching support for the bear that I see in the Far East is coming from the Chinese Securities Index, the Shanghai Index. In my opinion, that index is firmly entrenched. I mean, the bear there is firmly entrenched, and it is not looking to me like it's going to look up anytime soon. And I think that if you just make the link with the Shanghai Index and the Hang Seng, which basically the Hang Seng and the Shanghai Index ought to follow in broad scale, they ought to follow the same direction. And I think that the Hang Seng is setting the stage for a crash. It's showing also very similar pattern to the one you see right here. So I think all in all these markets are pointing down, and we have seen the case of the Nikkei yesterday and the day before. The Nikkei is looking like it's decidedly headed lower. So I'm taking the bear here very seriously, and I think that in the case of the Midcap here, we have one struck here at the end of 2007. That's an A. That could turn into a B, with this being A, B, C, D, E. And now we are heading towards the C. Let me show you the daily here. You can see that the E might have ended here, or it might still be ongoing in this manner, meaning that we had an A, B, C, A, and that's A, B, C, D, do you see? E, and then only then it will terminate. I think that first crack under this is your first signal. The Indian market may have terminated the E. It's starting now, huge C down, running above this level right here. Would kill my idea. Would kill the idea that this is a B. Why? Because then the assumption of the ABCD, you can see, will fall apart. We might still be going down, but there'll definitely be some delay of many months. If that happens, that will probably project going there before we go down. So here you are. This is in broad strokes the situation with the Indian market. All in all, I am a bear, and I'm expecting it to weaken and start running down for the C. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website. And I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself, blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, Alert Pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email from my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.